Hello kids, we're gonna is still in this like Facebook or that. See, there am I in Monkey. That is the class member. We're gonna do the class member. That was so funny there where I am. So funny. Oh, it's a math. See, it's math or beef. It's math, not beef or beef. See, it's math. It's 1 plus 1. That's easy, right, Monkey? Monkey says, yeah, that's easy. So, by the way, this is Monkey's channel. I just go here and Monkey's also watching. And then guys, if I raffle or if I have so many views, if I raffle, you will get my t-shirt. If I raffle, guys, like that, if I raffle, you will see my toys like that, or some Lego how to build monkeys like that. If I raffle, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna build some Legos raffle. You will see what I build there like that. Anywhere. Just let's get started in this video. I erase it. Erase it, erase it, erase it. So funny. I'm smiling because Monkey doesn't know the answer. Monkey says, hey, that's cheating. Maybe we're gonna do half video, and we will stop like that. And Monkey just clap. I clap because it's so funny. Look what my tummy is, big tummy. If you cut it, there's so many bananas. So you can get banana party. Banana party. Monkey says, oh, look at these ears. So tiny. This look like king. I know the answer. Monkey says like that. I doesn't say that. Hey, you say that. Not me, you say that. I don't be mother. I do be a monkey. But I like bananas. What the? Can you share bananas? No, I said no. That's not fair. It's okay, Monkey. I still have banana. Give me the bananas. It's mine now because you will don't like it. Because it's only 2 and they're broke. And they have black spot. Let's just keep watching Monkey. No more story. I know the answer, but he doesn't know the go, grow, or glow because you know what I mean. You know what I mean, right, Monkey? You know what I mean. You know what I mean, Monkey? Because you always say, I love banana. You always say, I love banana. And you don't know the grow, glow, or something else. And then because you said grow, starting for the burger, you said glow or go maybe. And I doesn't hear grow. So I mean this, that is, oh, another ears, Maggie tiny. And I didn't mean you hear that like that. because sometimes I doesn't hear, but sometimes I hear them. But but I want to be a firepower, but I beat the airbender because the air makes me big, like that. Monkey says, "Yeah, look at my nose. It's big now." Monkey, don't block this screen. Just kidding. Monkey, don't pause that button. I doesn't say that I'm practicing on class. I don't know. Let's just watch. Okay. Let's forward it later. Look at my hands. Monkey's blocking the camera. No, I'm not. I see your face just like it's like black, like the screen's just be blue, so you blocked it. See, that is our board because I lose the blackboard. Yeah, and I remember with my nana, we was like we're in there, and I'm like coloring what I'm baby with. I'm like coloring some reds, and I don't know all the colors. Nana teach me how to do that. So my nana is so loved, and right now when I'm big, she just fell into the stairs, and I cried because I love him so much. I love her so much. My nana, I love her. I love her so much. Yeah, kids. Telling a story, Monkey. Or you're not listening. I'm listening. I'm gonna tell my story too. Okay, tell me. I was born into God. I see you, but you doesn't see me. And then you was first, and then you bought me in the store, and because I'm the second you put like that. I'm second, and you bought me. Maybe you're crying because you're not your nanay doesn't bought me for second, and your mommy buy you monkey. So I have friends in there. I have friends with you, and then I said present. I said present. So like that. That's my story. That's so sad. Yeah, that's so sad, Monkey. Well then, let's continue to the with the story math. I just like MS. I see a MS. That means his yellow monkey's yellow cheeks. So you see this. I'm just it. I will be back soon, guys. I will just toilet. Okay. Okay, Monkey. I will wait for you. Let's just continue this video. There's someone in the doorbell, which was like want the ice candy from me. I'm back. Okay, let's just watch. Ah, yeah, yeah. I think those are enough. Alright, bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. This is enough. Watch this channel, Monkeyta'S World, Monkeyta'S Playroom. So, and my channel, Amy TV also. And then, if I raffle, you will get my t-shirt if I raffle. And my shirt. Or you can build Legos with monkeys, Stitch, and then this frogs, and then Froggy. And you can get this also for girls if I raffle. See, pink teddy. Or you can get so monk. And then you can go with baby shark. Alright, bye.